Alright, good evening everyone. Muli tayo nagbabalik para sa ating next live. Ayan, this is the semi-final game ng ating liga dito sa Kabayanan Covered Court Integrated or Kabayanan Integrated School dito po sa ating dakilang lungsod ng San Juan. Ayan, second game na inabutan ko, so pasensya na po. And we'd like to thank our sponsor, our main sponsor, nandiyan ang Kokoryu Charity Laboratory Incorporation. Ayan, this is the battle between Certified Buraots versus the Kokoryu. Ating semi-finals. Good luck from both teams. Tol! Tol! Sa kanila. Okay. Diyan ka pala. Shoutout mo na, pre. Shoutout kay ano? Kay Mare. Ayun lalaman pala to. Ay, shoutout Kags, Kapitan. Okay. Let's go. First ball, makakuha ng Certified Buraot. Oh, sorry, that's Kokoryu. Wow. First basket mula kay Kalub. O pati yung Kokoryu. Ayan na, stop and pump by Dino. Basket para kay Dino Espino. Sino kaya ang susunod na papasok? Ayan na, si Angel, parang Angel to Cardenas for 3 short. Out of bounds. Espino on the serve. Kick out. Gets the 3. Bang! Camstino. Espino, stop and pump. No good. Rebound by Cardenas. Pass to Angel. Angel to Patis. Pare Patis. No good. That's a foul. By jersey number 28. Si Pare. First shot para kay Parang Angel. Yes, sir. Second shot. No good. Rebound. Talo. Bulok. Makuha ni Angel. Pass to Talo. Floater. Wala. Pasok Angel. Basket. What a nice pass by paring Lawrence. Pingol to paring Angel. Archie Angel. Here comes Dino Espino. Pass to binigay sa corner. 4-3. No. Rebound. Makuha rito ni paring Paul. Cardenas to Angel. Archie in. No. Rebound. Here comes Espino. Catch and shoot. Oy! Nice shot eh, pare ko eh. Shout out po. Kaya di pare Maring Reynolin. Angel Archie with a shot. Shout out po kay Maring Raysabel. Ayan, nakashoot na po si pare. Napindot, sorry. Time remaining 6 minutes and 41 seconds. On the shooting on the line, on jersey number 02. On the free throw area. First shot is good. Second shot, rebound by number 11. Takeaway shot is good. 10-7 in favor of the certified Burawats. Pingo Lawrence, pass to number 8. No good. Make it that shot. Shout out, paring Dekdek Alfonso. Ayan, magandang gabi sa iyo, pare ko eh. At salamat sa nakahabol pa sa inyong mga laban. Arbang, green ball. Here comes Dino. No good. Down by Paul. Cardenas. One shot and score. Tisha scores 12-9 in favor of Ako for you. Kick out for 3. Wala. Yes, a foul by D. Boss Paul, diyan pala si Paul, oh. Boss Paul. Shout out. Cardenas, 4-3. No. Rebound by para Angel. Fake pass to Paul. Fake. Kick out. Pass to Angel. Catch and shoot. And stir. And score. 12-11. 1 point lead. Ayan na. Yes, 3. No. Valdez. Pass to Paul. Cardenas. Change favor. Nakangako for the team. Basket, may Beltran. Change favor. Balik ang Kalamangas. Certified Burroughs. Moises. Looking for his teammate. Pass to Valdez. To Archie. Angel. Wait out to Moises. Wala. Drop bomb behind by Cardenas. Point lead para sa Certified Burroughs. Gary Valdez. Pass to Moises. To Archie. Wala. Down. Martinez. By Martinez. Tinol ba? Beltran, hindi pa kaya doon. Moises, 4-3, in and out. Time remaining 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Boss Angel. Yes, shooting the line, jersey number 7 for Certified Burroughs. First shot is good. Second shot. Basket. 15. Valdez. Top and pump. Wala. Grabe si George. Umiinit na. George Beltran. Ay, mga dito ang Kukuryo. Official score 22-15. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Sila natin ang adal dito ng Kukuryo team. Dapat tingin na ako. Okay, shoutout tayo kay Remy Valenzuela, Derrit. Shoutout daw, Lawrence Pingol. Ay, pati nag-live sa laro namin. Kasi mabulang ako. Dapat di ako makakapunta ngayon. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Pasok kayo? Pasok? Kaya pala eh. And the finals ta? Ito nyo. Congrats. Uy, offensive foul. Kita daw yun ang ating referee. Valdez, kick out. Pin, 4-3, wala. So, George, George Beltran. Nag-iinit ang kamay sa ating first quarter pa lamang. Valdez. Rebound by Pinpin. Steal again. Ayan na si George. Ayan na shot. Wala. So Cardenas. Top of the key. Ilista mo na para kay Paul Cardenas. 3-point. 18-24 ang ating talaan. 6-point lead para sa certified Burauts. Ayun na si Beltran. Jump shot, no. Rebound. Ayun na, out and pass. 2 against 2. Valdez. Basket yan para kay Valdez. Gary. Ayun na, number 11. And 1. Basket count and 1 by number 11. Nanggulang na. Time remaining, last 3 seconds. May natitira pa tayong 3 segundo. 22, 24. Wala. Rebound. 3, 2, 1. Uy. Okay. And the first quarter in favor of the certified Burauts. Second quarter tayo. Let's go. Sino kaya ang susunod na makakapasok sa finals? At naghihintay na ang 63 years ba? Ano din niyo, pre? 63 years ba? Ayan. Shoutout muna natin sa ito. Mga nakapasok sa finals, nag-aabang na, oh. Nag-i-scout na para sa finals. Sino kaya makakalaban nila between these two teams? Certified Buraut versus the Kokuryo team. Okay, dalawa lamang ng Certified Buraut. Second quarter tayo. Let's go. Bola rito ng Certified Buraut. Here comes Dino. Back to Dino. Espino. Umatake. Running shot. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ni parang Angel. Angel, de diskarte. Pinasa kay Paul. Cardenas, 4-3. Yes, sir. Change favor. 25-24. Lamang na ng isa ang Kokuryo team. Here comes Dino. kick out. Espino, 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Angel. Here comes Maring Angel. Pass to Gary. Valdez, pass to Ordenas. Paul, running shot. No. Rebound ng Burauts. Ayun na, nagagawan. Oh, steal by Angel. Here comes Maring Angel. Pare Angel with a strong drive. Higay ka dito, si Angel. Pahinga ba? Opo. Ay. Up. Angel, time out tayo. Get well soon, pare ko eh. Makamali yung kanyang pag-landing doon. Okay, official timeout muna tayo para kay parang Angel Archie. Short. Here comes Valdez. Valdez with a strong drive. Walang tawag. Makakuha rito ni Dino. Espino nagpapadali. Espino, stop and pump. Wala. Kalob, stop and pump. Wala. Makuha pa rin ni Kalob. Pass to Paul. 4-3, short. Nice save. Oy. Steal by Kalob. Here comes Kalob. Oy, wala pa rin. Diba, number 18. Pass number 11. Drop pass. And sinigurado na ng 35 Burauts. Seven minutes and 56 seconds at the post. Kalob with a strong drive. Too strong. Rebound. Number 2, Espino, binigay. Number 11, no. Rebound. Pass to, jump shot, short. Rebound by Dino. Out that pass. Number 11. No. Here comes Valdez. No good. Number 41, pass to number 11, score. Time out to Corio. Change favor tayo, lamang dito ang 35 Burauts. Tingnan natin ang Adel ng Corio. Time remaining 6 minutes and 51 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. 6 minutes and 51 seconds, 28-27, 1 point lead para sa 35 Burauts. Gary Valdez, may tangan ng bola. Valdez, cross, setting on the screen. Valdez, with drive, and there's a foul. Foul by Gary Valdez. And shoutout po kay Sir Lester de Belen, sa ating commentator and announcer. And the scorer as well. Dino Espino Desi Espino using the glass. Humahanap pa ng tawag ng foul. Here comes Pingol. Pasok Cardenas. Paul 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Makuha rito na 4-5 Buraos. Yes, kay Dino. Dino pass to number 11 and gets the foul. Nagkakainita na po ang ating laban. Tingnan natin ang husga ng ating mga referee and official. Time remaining 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Over muna tayo sa ating mga official. Diyan pating ako ulit. Tingnan ko lang. Sportsmanlike foul. Kalma lang daw tayo sa ating laro. Let's go. Back to the ball game tayo. Boss rep. Buwan na ni paring Patis Pingol. Solino. Rep, sakit ng rep. Uy. Yes, a foul. Espino shooting for 2. First shot, no good. Defensive rebound pass, 35 out and score. 34-27 in favor pa rin sa 35 Burauts. Lawrence, oh, mati ka na magawan. Catch and shoot, no. Losing the board by P. Caleb. 34-29, 5-point lead para sa 35 Burauts. Dino Espino, may tahan ng bola. Nasa elbow, 4-3, wala, rebound. Pasadino, catch and shoot, then 3 point, 2 points para kay Dino Espino. 36-29. Taka tayo sa 7. Valdez, running shot, choosing the board, wala, rebound. Steal by Cardenas, Paul. Pass to Gary Valdez, no. Kalu with a defensive rebound and gets the score. 31-36. And steal by Cardenas. Cardenas, pass to Gary. Gary up and under, using the glass. Wala. Rebound by number 41. Here comes Tino. There's a foul, number 3. Excuse me po. Paring Angel Archie coming in for Lawrence Pingol. Time remaining 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 36-31. 5-point lead para sa Kokuryu. Oh, sorry, that's 35 Buraot. Yes, that 3. No. Rebound by Martinez. Pass to Cardenas. Here comes Paul. Pass to Archie. Spin move. Tumira. Wala. Number 25. Pass to Dino. Here comes Dino. Dino. Pinasa. What an extra pass. No good. Rebound by Cardenas. Cardenas. Pass to Gary. Gary. Didiskarte. Gary. Umatake. And there's a foul. Shots para kay Gary Valdez. Bench shooting on the line. Jersey number 21, Gary Valdez. With the time remaining 3 minutes and 11 seconds. Basket is good. Second shot para kay Gary. Basket. Mabasa tatlong lamang. Here comes Dino. Dino, jump shot. No. Espino knocks it down. 38-33. In favor pa rin sa 35 Buraot. Angel running shot at nakasagot si Angel doon. Baba ulit sa tatlong lamang. 38-35. Espino setting on the play. Pinasa. Back to Angel. Oh, sorry, that's Dino. Stop and pump. In and out. Rebound by Cardenas. Oh, pass to Martinez. Oh. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng 35 Buraot. Rebound. Pass to Gary. Number 11. Pass to Espino. Espino. Penalty. Espino shooting for 2. Time remaining 1 minute and 53 seconds. First shot para kay Dino. Basket. Second shot is good. 14-35. 5-point lead para sa team. 35 Buraots. Gary Valdez. May tangan ng bola. Pass to Archie. Angel. Pinasa loob, number 11, Martinez. No, rebound. Makuha. Number 35 Buraot. Here comes Dino. Fake, number 25. No. Rebound, makuha ni Gary. Gary, may tahan na bola. Here comes Gary Valdez. Dumiretso, wala. Rebound dito ng 35 Buraot. Here comes that certified. Pass to Dino. From elbow 3, back. 3 points, 8-point lead. Babawi sa 3 si Cardenas, no good. Last 55 seconds remaining. On goal tayo. Espino with the ball. Last 45 seconds. Espino. Oh. Last 41 seconds. Number 41 seconds remaining. Pass to Dino. Last 36. Espino. Uy. Pass number 11. On score. 45-35. 10-point lead. Here comes Angel and score by Angel. George. Ooh. Last 8 seconds. 8 seconds remaining sa ating first half. And now 8, 7. Angel using the glass and there's a foul. Shooting for 2 by Angel Archie. Time remaining, last 5 seconds. 5 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating laban ng second quarter. Archie Angel on the free throw area. First shot is good. .45. Basket. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh! Wow. And that's accounted by jersey number 2, Dino Espino. Wow. Alright, tied na ako na sa ating third quarter. Maya-maya lamang for this time, 47-39 sa pagtatapos ng first half. And shoutout kay Kuya dito, kasama ko. Hey, shoutout. Pakilala ka naman, pare.
RD.
Shoutout ka ba? Baka shoutout ka.
Hello. JJP.
Sino siya tingin mo mapasok sa finals? Sa dalawa? Certified Buraot. Okay, good luck. Tingnan natin. Maya-maya kung sinong papasok. Ang Certified Buraot daw. Ang sa tingin niya, papasok maya-maya lamang. At harapin ang 60 years. Bye-bye. Cut muna tayo for the meantime. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Maraming salamat po sa Kukurio Cosmetic Charity Program by Sir Bien and Sir Benito Legarda.